click on the name of your profile right here, and in this video I will show you how to use coupons on allchinabuy.com. Tap on my balance and tap on the wallet or arrow right here and tap on coupons, and you have all these coupons right here as you see. So from here you can change the currency to USD dollar. So I changed it, but it didn't change. I don't know why. So as you see, this price, the minimum price 3,000 in China currency. If you buy this price, the products, the total, you will get 360 discount off, and as well right here you will get 70 discount off if you buy this price, the minimum, which is 699. And as you see, and if you want to use this discount, automatically you will apply after you buy 3,000 in China currency. You can calculate in any website and see how much it costs in dollar. And that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.